Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. In this video, we are discussing about application of derivatives. It is related to rate of change or rate measure. We are in the second video in exercise 6.1 NCERT problems. Let us have a discussion of the question here. A particle moves along the curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Wait a minute, dear students. Just I want to. Yeah. Here first you have to write the given curve as it is. Given curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Next, differentiate with respect to t. You have to do that. So 6 into dy by dt is equal to x cube derivative 3x square. Again, x derivative with respect to t is dx by dt plus 2 constant whose derivative is 0. Next, 6 times of dy by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Okay. After completing of this one, condition. The y coordinate is changing 8 times of the x coordinate. Given or since the y coordinate is changing, that means the rate of change of y coordinate is 8 times of the rate of change of x coordinate, 8 times of dx by dt. So here first 3 ones, 3 2s we can cancel it. So 2 times of dy by dt is equal to x square into dx by dt. So wherever dy by dt is there, replace with 8 dx by dt. So 2 times of 8 dx by dt is equal to x square into dx by dt. Are you all with me, dear students? Now dx by dt can cancel. That implies that x square is equal to 16, x is equal to plus or minus 4. So for x, 2 values are there. If you substitute x is equal to plus 4, case 1. If x is equal to 4, then 6y equal to 4 cube means 64 plus 2. That implies 6y is equal to 68. So y is equal to 32 by 3. 34. 2 3s, 2 4s, 2 3s. Sorry. 64 plus 2 is how much? 66, na? So 6 table if we divide, it comes as 11. So here 1 point we got it. Therefore, the required point P of x comma y is equal to P of 4 comma 11. Next, if x is equal to minus 4, then 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2. That implies 6y equal to minus 62. So y equal to minus 31 divided by 3. Therefore, P of x comma y is equal to P of minus 4 comma minus 31 by 3. These are the 2 points which are lying on the given curve 6y equal to x cube plus 2. I hope you understand it, students. We'll move on to another question here. The radius of an air bubble is increasing. Air bubble means you have to consider it is in the space, so you can consider as a spherical balloon like sphere. So the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate. So given dr by dt, the rate of change of radius of air bubble dr by dt is half centimeter per second. After that, at what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing? At what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing? When the radius is 1 centimeter. So, volume of the water bubble, that means air bubble, OV equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. They are asking to find dV by dt, question mark, when r is equal to 1. This is the total question, dear students. So dV by dt they are asking when the radius is 1 centimeter. So differentiate with respect to t, dV by dt is equal to 4 pi by 3. R cube derivative is 3r square. R derivative is dr by dt. Here 3 get cancelled. Wherever dr by dt is there, what you have to replace? 1 by 2. So 4 pi into r square into 1 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos, which is equal to 2 pi r square. So after getting of dV by dt value, when radius is at 1 centimeter, when r is equal to 1 centimeter, so the rate of change of volume of air bubble when r is equal to 1 centimeter equal to 2 pi into 1 square, which is equal to 2 pi. So volume in centimeter cube per second by t is there. So I hope you everyone understand. We'll move on to another set of questions. I'm going to drop this and we'll move to 13th question. So these type of questions will play a very important role in NCERT as well as JEE Mains also, and in CBSE 12th class also it will be very important. So now question number 13. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3/2 times of 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Question number 13 is over. Next question number 14. Sorry. Sand is pouring, P-O-U-R-I-N-G. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is, this is important, the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius, 1/6 of the radius of the base. How fast is the height of the sand cone? The sand cone is increasing when the height is 4 centimeter. Yeah, we'll discuss the question number 13 as well as question number 14, dear students. First, we need to understand the questions. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter. So, given diameter d is equal to 3 by 2 times of 2x plus 1. That implies that diameter means twice of the radius only, no? So 2r is equal to 3 by 2 times of 2x plus 1. So I want r value. So that implies that r equal to bring this side, 3 by 4 into 2x plus 1. This is the value of r. Okay? Later, find the rate at which the rate of change of volume with respect to x they are asking. Now, with respect to x they are asking, find the rate at which the volume of the sphere. What is the volume of the sphere? Volume of the sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. But r value in terms of x is there, no dear students. Okay? Or in terms of x you can calculate 4 pi by 3 into r cube. R value we got it now. So r cube means 3 cube. 27 by 4 cube. 64 into 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay? I think everyone understand. 3 ones, 3 nines. 4 ones, 4 16s. Which is equal to 9 pi by 16 into 2x plus 1 whole power 3. This is volume of the spherical balloon. In terms of radius we got it. Now they are asking to find rate of change of volume with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So dv by dx is equal to 9 pi by 16 into, it is in the form of f of x whole power n. D by dx of f of x whole power n is what? N into f of x whole power n minus 1. Again f of x whole to differentiate. So n means what? 3 into 2x plus 1 whole power 3 minus 1, 2. Again 2x plus 1 derivative is 2. Okay? 2 ones, 2 eights. So dv by dx, the rate of change of volume of the spherical balloon with respect to x is 9 3s are 27. 27 pi divided by 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square. This is what? The required one. So the rate of change of, that is the rate of change of, the rate of change of volume of, the rate of change of volume of spherical balloon. Spherical, just piece of fish. Spherical balloon. Spherical balloon. The rate of change of volume of balloon with respect to x is dv by dx is equal to 27 pi by 8 into 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, dear students, we'll move to another question. The question number 14 is a very important concept question. First, we need to read the question thoroughly. See, sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone. See, the figure it comes like this. Even it is coming from vertical or horizontal, that may be different. This is the pipe. A sand is pouring from the pipe. it is coming like this sand. It forms a cone. The sand forms a cone. Okay, dear students. The falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone from here to here, this is height of the cone. This is base radius R. Even this is also base radius. Okay? Base radius. H and R. The height of the cone is always given condition. Height of the cone is always equal to 1/6 of the radius. That implies that R is equal to 6H. It is given that given condition. Given condition, dear students. H R. Okay. Later we have the radius based on the radius. How fast is the height of the sand cone? Cone means what is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone. V is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. But I want R in terms of h. Why? Because they are asking to find how fast is the height of the sand cone is increasing when height is. So wherever R is there in terms of 6h we have to replace. So volume of the cone equal to pi/3 in place of R 6h whole square into h. So V equal to pi/3 into 36h square into h. That is equal to 3 ones, 3 12s. 12 pi into h cube. This is volume of the cone. After finding that volume of the cone, they are asking to find how fast is the one more information is there. The rate of change of volume is given. Is a given rate of change of volume of the cone. dV/dt is 12 centimeter cube per second. So differentiate with respect to t. So dV/dt is equal to 12 pi into h cube derivative is what? 3h square. Again h derivative is dH/dt. In place of dV/dt, can I replace with 12 centimeter cube? So 12 is equal to 12 pi into 3h square into dH/dt. So 12 get cancelled. 3 pi h square will bring the side 1/3 pi h square is equal to dH/dt. After getting dH/dt, what they are asking? When height is 4 centimeter, when h is equal to 4 centimeter, the rate of change of one by 3 pi into 16, that is equal to 1/48 pi centimeter per second. So the rate of change of height of the sand cone is 1/48 pi centimeter per second. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to another set of questions. That is question number 15 and 16. We'll move it. In the free times, the miscellaneous questions also, I will frame that. Okay, dear students, I will get back to you. Question number 15 and 16 both are related to like economics also, but it are related to differentiation. That is the reason they kept here. The total cost C of x in rupees associated in rupees associated with the production of x units, with the production of x units of an item is given by C of x equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x squared plus 15x plus 400. Find the marginal cost. When x is equal to 17 units. When 17 units are produced. Now come to the question number 16. This is also type of question. The total revenue in rupees, the total revenue in rupees, received from the sale of x units of a product is given by R of x is equal to 13x squared plus 26x plus 15. Find the marginal revenue. When x is 7. So let us continue the explanation with that. The total cost C of x in rupees is associated. So therefore the given total cost C of x is equal to 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 400. So total cost is given. They are asking to find marginal cost. If you want to get a marginal cost from the total cost, you have to differentiate to get the marginal cost. So marginal cost equal to m of x equal to d by dx of, suppose in terms of t is there, d by dt. In terms of x is there, d by x. In terms of y is there, d by dy. Like this you can take the students. So, d by dx of c of x. So differentiate with respect to x means what comes here? C of x we are differentiating with respect to x. 3 multiply, no, 3x square will come. 0.007 into 3x square minus 0.003 into 2x plus 15x derivative is 15 plus 0. Now multiply with this 3 here. So 0.021 into x square minus 0.006 into x plus 15. So this is about marginal cost. After getting the marginal cost, if we want to get marginal cost when 17 units are produced, when x is equal to 17, then the marginal cost is m of 17. So 0.021 into 17 square minus 0.006 into 17 plus 15. So 0.021 into 289 minus 0.1027 or not 2. So plus 15. So we need to multiply this 289 into 0021. No? First 289 with 2. 2 nines are 18. 2 8 16, 1 7, 2 to the 5. Next 0 0 0 0 0 0 9 16 6 0 0. After that here 3 dots are there. No? So it is 6.069 minus 0.102 plus 15. 15 plus 6, 21.069 minus 0.102. So we can calculate that also. 21.069, 0.102. So therefore 20.967. Therefore the when 17 units are produced, when 17 units are produced, the marginal cost is, it is in rupees, no? 20.967. I hope everyone understand this, students. We'll go to another question here. The total revenue in rupees received the sale of X units of a product is given by, so the total revenue, given the total revenue R of x is equal to 13x squared plus 26x plus 15. So differentiate with respect to x. So d by dx of R of x is equal to 26x, 13 into x square derivative is 2x, 2x into 13 plus 26x into x derivative is 26. So this is about marginal cost. This is marginal cost. M of x means what? Marginal cost. So marginal cost when x is equal to 7 units. So m of 7 is equal to 26 into 7 plus 26. So 26 into 7 we need to do that. So 208 rupees. Therefore, when 7 units are produced, the marginal cost is 208 rupees. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. We'll move to the last 2 questions in the session. We'll move to that. Here everything I am writing crystal clear, even the rough work also I am doing for your convenience, whatever the clarity also we are giving. If you really like this video, please share to your friends also. Why? Because most of the students they don't know about the second channel exam side mathematics by money. Both the channels simultaneously I will run with the different concepts. In the coming days, maths with Panindra also it will be again. Why? Because in intermediate AP, the new syllabus was formed. That new syllabus we will run with that. From Monday onwards, we will get the questions from that videos from the channel. Today also the syllabus I kept there. Now question number 17. This is the objective question. The cost of, the rate of change of area of a circle with respect to its radius, or at r is equal to 6 centimeters is options 10 pi, 12 pi, 8 pi and 11 pi. Next question number 18. The total revenue in rupees, received from the sale of X units, of a product is given by R of X is equal to 3x square plus 6x, 36x, 3x square plus 36x plus 5. The marginal revenue is when x is equal to 15 is. So first option 116, second option 96, third option 90, fourth option 126. See how we are going to do these type of problems. The rate of change of area of the circle with respect to its radius. Observe carefully. What is the area of the circle? A is equal to pi r square. Rate of change of area of the circle with respect to r. That means differentiate with respect to r. So dA by dr is equal to pi constant keep aside, r square derivative is 2r. So which is equal to 2 pi r. But they are asking to find the rate of change of area of the circle with respect to r at r is equal to 6 centimeters. So dA by dr, when r is equal to 6 centimeters, that means 2 pi into 6, that is equal to 12 pi centimeters square per centimeter. But 12 only units are not given, 12 pi is there, you have the second option. We'll move to question number 18 and the last question from the exercise 6.1 in the category of application of derivatives in that rate measure or rate of change. So the total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X units of the product is given by R of X is equal to 3x square plus 36x plus 5. Whenever they are asking to find marginal revenue, you have to differentiate. Marginal revenue M of X is equal to d by dx of total revenue, that means R of X. So just you have to differentiate with respect to x to this 3x square plus 36x plus 5. So which is equal to 6x plus 36. But marginal cost when x is equal to what value? Marginal cost when x is equal to 15. So wherever x is there, replace with 15 plus 36. So 15 6 are 90 plus 36, which is equal to 126. So 126 is there in the fourth option. I hope everyone understand, your students. Those who are watching first time, please do like and share. If you give one like, it reaches to more persons, more students, those who require this channel. I hope you understand in what I am saying. Especially the rural areas, those who are not having the academies or tuition points. So it will be utilized. That is sincerely I am requesting you. Please share these videos to the needy students. Thank you. Exam side mathematics by Pani. Please do subscribe and share to needy students. Thank you all. Jai Hind.